There's a hands-on video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL before Google has officially talked about it. A Ukrainian YouTuber got the Pixel 9 Pro XL and made a 20-minute video showing the phone from all angles. The video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL to other flagship phones like the Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The size of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a bit taller than the iPhone, but smaller than the Galaxy. The YouTuber didn't turn the phone on, possibly because it can't boot into Android yet, or isn't fully functional. Google might have blocked it, so we don't know about the display, camera performance, or new software features. We'll have to wait for the official launch event for that information. There's also a cool geometric pattern under the G logo on the back. The geometric pattern won't be on the final retail product. Google's prototypes usually have signs to show they're not final versions. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks great, except for the big camera bump. Moving on, official marketing material for the Pixel 9 lineup has leaked, revealing everything about the phones, including new software features. Besides Google's Gemini AI assistant and Circle to Search, the Pixel 9 lineup will let you search your screenshots. Imagine you took a screenshot of a restaurant menu or an event flyer, but can't find it. With the Pixel, you can search for keywords like restaurant or event, and the phone will show the relevant screenshot. No more digging through folders. Google's example shows searching for "what was the gift idea for Taylor?" and finding a screenshot of a geometric squirrel figure. Google is also highlighting important safety features like emergency SOS for critical situations. The Pixel 9 will have crisis alerts for nearby emergencies like fires or floods, and better protection from phishing scams and malware. Remember the AI feature in Android that detects scam calls? It might be included in the Pixel 9. There's also Gemini, Google's super-powered AI assistant. A leaked demo shows Gemini using a picture of a refrigerator full of ingredients and answering the question, how can I make a burger with these ingredients? This is just a glimpse of what Gemini can do. You'll get a free year of the advanced version with your Pixel 9 Pro XL. Inside the phone box, there are no surprises. The materials confirm the Pixel 9 series will get 7 years of updates and Pixel Drops, which is a new name for feature updates. Google describes the Tensor G4 as game-changing, but we'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.